All right, TMC MLA Madan Mitra, viewers, has been show-caused by the party after his comments on this particular Kolkata gang rape case. He has been asked to show cause within 3 days. That's the latest. That Trinamool Congress has taken action against Madan Mitra. But remember, as we speak, nothing against Kalyan Banerjee, who has made some rather shocking and appalling remarks in the past few days. Let me go back to my colleague Ridhita. Ridhita, Madan Mitra has now been show-caused. The TMC is speaking about it. They've taken action. But when it comes to Kalyan Banerjee, you've got Mahua Moitra, welcoming the kind of action that has been, the statement that has been given out by the TMC. But clearly, Kalyan Banerjee refuses to understand, is, making some very personal remarks against his own party leader.
Absolutely. On one side, when we see that the party has already taken action against Madan Mitra and has asked him to respond to it within 3 days. On the other side, we see, in spite of Kalyan Banerjee targeting his own party firstly, when after yesterday over the AITC official on their X handle had stated that they condemn Kalyan Banerjee's remark as it says it to be a personal view of him and the party has no relation to him. He disregarded to that, and he also retweeted to that, stating that he does not stand by what the party said. What he said, he feels that is correct. In return to that, Mahua Moitra had also reacted to that, saying that this is the fastest and the swift movement, and AITC condemns it. She has appreciated and welcomed the move that was taken by the party on their X handle. But on return to that, we see a Kalyan Banerjee again attacking her party leader only. So now the confusion and the question that startles out here, that what is Kalyan Banerjee trying to say? Because earlier also he had gone against his party, and this is the second instance where we see he is attacking his own party. Not only that, but also his own party leader.
All right, Ridhita, stay with me. Let's also, tell you viewers how the response of the Trinamool Congress and the West Bengal government to this entire horrific act since day one has been appalling, to say the least. Not only have their leaders resorted to survivor shaming, the parties also refused to accept that the administration failed its daughter. The Mamata Banerjee government has cracked the whip on dissent. BJP leaders, led by State Party Chief Shukanta Majumdar, were detained by the cops during protests against the TMC government. They were released only earlier today, but they continue to demand the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, claiming that law and order has completely collapsed in the state. Let's also get to the breaking update. The BJP Bengal unit has called for a mega rally tomorrow to Ghirao the Vidhana Sabha after crimes against women in the state. That is, ladies and gentlemen, the opposition in the West Bengal state upping the ante against Trinamool Congress.
एक यूनियन लीडर टीएमसी का दूसरे यूनियन लीडर को बुला करके सारे आम बलात्कार करते हैं, गैंग रेप करते हैं, उसका वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग किया जाता है उसको डराने के लिए, उसके माँ बाप को हत्या करना, उसका प्रेमी को हत्या करना, डराया जाता है खुलेआम। और कौन करता है? टीएमसी के स्टूडेंट लीडर। ऐसा घटना लगातार बंगाल में हो रहा है। चुनाव के बाद कालीगंज में सारे अब बम से और 6 क्लास की लड़की को हत्या किया जाता है। ममता बनर्जी खाली दुख प्रकट करती है और कोई कार्रवाई नहीं है। नाम के वास्ते कुछ लोगों को अरेस्ट किया जाता है, सप्ताह भर के बाद वो फिर रिलीज हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि पुलिस की भी हिम्मत है उनके अगेंस्ट में केस डालने के लिए। ये सरकार पूरा एंटी सोशल लोगों का हाथ में चला गया, पार्टी भी, इसलिए लगातार घटना घट रही है। महिलाओं की कोई सुरक्षा यहाँ नहीं।
बंगाल महिला प्रगति की एक प्रयोगशाला रही। आज से नहीं, सैकड़ों साल पहले वुमेन प्रोग्रेशन की ये एक एग्जाम्पल रहा देश में, पढ़ाई में, लिखाई में, सिविलाइजेशनल लीडरशिप में बंगाल की वुमेन लीडरशिप रहा है। उस बंगाल में वो आरजीकर हो या कस्बा की लॉ कॉलेज की दुर्घटना हो, ये प्रतीत करता है महिलाओं के प्रति अभी की रूलिंग पार्टी की, जब यहाँ की रूलिंग पार्टी की हेड एक महिला है, उनकी मानसिकता क्या, उनके नेताओं के बयान किस प्रकार के आ रहे हैं, यही बहुत गणतंत्र में, प्रजातंत्र में खतरनाक मानसिकता।
देखिए, प्रोटेस्ट करने पर हमें जिस तरीके से गिरफ्तार किया गया, उसके बाद पुलिस हमें छोड़ने के लिए बोले थे बेल बॉन्ड पे साइन करके। हमने इसका विरोध किया और पूरी रात लाल बाजार में हमने बिना साइन किए हमने रात वहां पे रहा। हम पूरी रात ऐसे ही जागने की जरूरत आ पड़ी है बंगाल को बचाने के लिए। देखिए, एक महीने में 4 बार गिरफ्तार करे, 10 बार गिरफ्तार करे, बंगाल के लिए अगर 1000 बार गिरफ्तार करने की जरूरत हो, होने की जरूरत हो, तो 1000 बार गिरफ्तार होंगे।
मुख्यमंत्री अभी तक कोई बयान नहीं दिया।
ना, सी डोंट नीड एनीथिंग। वो तो अपनी वोट बैंक को बरकरार रखने के लिए उनका प्लानिंग है, ये सब में बात नहीं करती।